In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book large car in Skyscanner. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Skyscanner website. From the homepage, look for the navigation at the top and choose Cars. This takes you to Skyscanner's car hire search, where you can quickly compare vehicles and prices from multiple rental companies in one place. In the search box, type your pickup location. Airports are usually easiest for pickup and drop-off, but you can also search for a city or neighborhood location. If that's more convenient, make sure you choose the exact place you want so the availability and prices are accurate. Next, select your pickup date and then your pickup time. Choose a realistic time that matches when you'll arrive. Setting it too early or late can affect vehicle availability. Now select your drop-off date and drop-off time. A quick tip: keep your pickup and drop-off times aligned, like 10 a.m. to 10 a.m. Matching hours often helps you avoid being charged for an extra day. When your details look right, click Search. Skyscanner will load results with a map and a list of cars. To focus on roomier options, use the filter bar just below the map and click Large Car. This narrows the results to larger sedans and similar vehicles with more luggage space and comfort, ideal for families or groups. You'll now see updated options that fit the large category. Browse through them, checking what's included, the mileage policy, the fuel policy, and the cancellation terms. If something stands out, click Show Deals to see who's offering that car. On the next screen, pick the option you prefer and click Select, then choose View Deal. This will take you to the provider's checkout page, often on rentalcars.com, to finalize your booking. On the Your Deal page, review the car, the pickup and drop-off details, and the total price. When everything looks good, click Continue. If you need extras like a child seat, GPS, or an additional driver, add them here, then click Continue to book. You'll be asked if you want full protection. Read the coverage details and choose the level of protection that matches your comfort and budget. Next, enter the main driver's details exactly as they appear on the driver's license, followed by your billing address. Choose how you'd like to pay, then click Book Now to confirm. That's it. You'll receive a confirmation with your voucher and pick-up instructions. Bring the main driver's license and a credit card in the driver's name to the counter, and you're ready to go.